many different styles, including stories, non-chronological reports, diaries and letters.
Dear boy, I am having a great time. I've been sliding on some colossal icebergs on my tummy. I was doing snowball fights with my family and friends. It was so fun. I loved it. I've been having so much fun here making snow angels and snowmen. On Thursday, I have been swimming in the freezing cold sea. I went so far in and got freezing. I nearly sank, and I nearly went into an ice cube. Luckily, a whale saved me and bring me back home. It was good, but not good. I was so happy to make some snowmen. It was so fun, and the whale is my friend now. I love him. Yesterday I had fish for dinner because I went fishing. It was so fun. We dribble double with our inside and we stop it with our soul. When we stop the ball, we stop it with the sole of our foot. We have been practicing dribbling with our inside and outside and our sole of our feet through gates. The green cone means go and the red cone means stop. The orange cone means you do toe taps. Today we have been practicing toe taps. We're doing some shooting practice in the goal. We use this part to shoot it.
5 is made up of 3 tens and 5 ones. 14 is made up of 1 10 and 4 ones. 3 tens and 1 10 equals 4 tens. 5 ones and 4 ones equals 9 ones. 4 tens and 9 ones equals 14.
We have a problem to solve. It's 33 take away 16. Here are my 3 tens and 3 ones. We don't have enough ones. We can exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. Now we can take away our 1 10 and 6 ones. The answer is 17. We are learning all about habitats. We are looking for living things that once lived, and things that have never lived. We found bamboo. Bamboo is living. We found a piece of bark, and it once lived because it's on the tree, and when it's off the tree, it doesn't really live anymore.
Hands up, we found lots of stuff. Excellent. So, something living. Who found something living? Let's see, Adam.
Birds.
Birds. Do you know what kind of bird? Do you know what kind of trees we've got here? Got a sycamore. We've got oaks. We've got beech. We've got limes. We've got hazels.
That's all the names.
We've got aspens.
We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, and Europe, finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America.
We've been learning to identify how to celebrate Christmas. Some Christians go to church to celebrate the birth of Jesus. In a church, bells are rung to signal the start of the Christmas service. People hang wreaths made from evergreen on their doors. In church, carols are sung to celebrate Christmas. Mary was in her house and she saw an angel appear in front of her, and the angel told her that she was having a baby.
A kind innkeeper let Mary and Joseph stay in a stable, and then baby Jesus was born.
The shepherds travelled to Bethlehem. They brought gold, frankincense, and